Mr. Lemaster here in my college gear. Graduated from San Diego State, and I love going to school and celebrating the fact that they're my alma mater, and I get to wear San Diego State hat and shirt. And we're reading about college, so I thought it was appropriate. Let's take a look at the question here. Use the marking tool to identify the paragraph that states a problem and solution. So use the marking tool to identify the paragraph that states a problem and solution. All right, so what we need to do is we need to look for problem and solution. And if we don't know what that is, it's kind of, the language, it kind of explains itself. But a problem is like an issue. There is a concern. And then, of course, the solution is what is the answer to that issue. What is the problem that someone has with a particular idea or problem with the way something is going in the government, and then we need a solution or an answer, right? So let's take a look for problem-solution relationship. With the rising cost of college and the financial need for many students to start working as soon as possible, students need to think outside the box with regard to achieving their higher education goals. Right away in this passage, we see a problem and solution. We see a problem at least starting with the rising cost of college, so that's a problem, and the financial need for many students to start working as soon as possible, so them getting out of college and starting a career, that's another problem. Students need to think outside of the box, so that begins to hint to the solution. So the problem and the solution is thinking outside of the box. We'll keep reading. Earning credits while in high school is one of the most cost-effective options possible and can help fast-track a student toward a post-college career. There's a solution. It's while in high school, you can earn credits, right? Earning credits while in high school. So it says, identify the paragraph that states a problem and solution. Right away, paragraph 1 states our problem and solution. And oftentimes in a problem and solution paper, you're going to see that problem and solution right from the beginning, or at least the problem. That makes sense. There's going to be a problem and lists of the problem and maybe a cause and effect. But in this case, there's a problem and a solution. And guess what the entire article does? The entire article provides details about the solution. So every one of these paragraphs, they don't define the problem. They provide details that support the solution to this problem. And the problem is rising cost of college and the need that students have to get out and start working.